Hey, come with me. This is the thing you need to check.
First one, you need to check all the screws on your bike, like at the stem, make to be sure all is fixed before. Also, start the seat post. And in the for this, need to check also your gear if it's working perfectly. Second time, control the tire if it's like new or can riding, don't have the cut, anything. You need to check your pressure tire, and then you can go to the ride. I show you. This is the tension you need. My rotor not touching, it's straight. Don't touching, that's good.